Hey everybody, today is the National Day for Truth and Reconciliation, but I have to be honest that it's something I think about every day, and it is a beautiful, as you can see, fall evening. We've had a number of hard frosts, and so I am going to spend the evening, look at this. How's that for brilliant orange to remember? I love it. I'm going to spend the evening, excuse me, working. Oof, it's a jungle in here. Working in the garden, doing really one job for the most part. I am going to be harvesting the sweet potatoes. This black mess behind me is because of the frost that we had. Yeah, so you're supposed to actually harvest these before the threat of frost, but I didn't. And so tonight, kind of as the sun sets, we're gonna get these out of the ground. They're probably not even going to be big enough to eat, to be honest. Last year, I think I harvested my sweet potatoes. Definitely it was October, closer to the end of October. So I don't have large aspirations or high hopes anyways. I don't think they're going to be much to write home about. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna start tearing these out and see what we got. I'm gonna go feed these to the rabbits. So I do have some weeds. There they are. But I do see some sweet potatoes here. This is... Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my gosh. I have to go get a tool. Hold that thought. Put it aside for the bunnies. But, oh guys, I think there's a big one. I don't want to stab it, but I got one! Oh my gosh! Okay, so these are all super tiny, but look at this giant! Oh my gosh. Okay, so if that's all I get all season, oh my god, that is so exciting. Even these, like, that's not bad. Look at that one. Okay, so these grow, this is super weird. Like, I don't know. That's how they're supposed to be. They all kind of like grew together, but that is not bad, I don't think. Like, this is one plant. This is spectacular. Okay, so really, like, I'll eat it. I will definitely eat those. Wow. Okay, let's see. That bunch doesn't look as promising. But that one, oh. Okay, so these are like sweet potato fingerlings. Fingerling sweet potatoes. But I do have to say, they're better than last year. Like, they're puny. And And it's really because they're a tropical plant, so they don't grow well here. But what I would say is that, okay, so if I had a high tunnel, I think I could successfully grow like sweet potatoes and like good sweet potatoes. But because we just are limited by, honestly, our frost. Look at that one. That's a good one. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Holy. Oh, this is so cool. Like I don't even think like you can do anything with that really, but I'll try. Maybe I'll bake them. Oh, that's what you don't want to happen. But look at how big that one was. Look at that. My goodness. Oh man. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to eat these. Like you're not supposed to break them, but I just didn't think they'd grow down that deep. This soil though is like super, it's looking amazing. So that's good. I'm glad to see some kind of healthier soil. Okay, so I don't even care if it's one. That is definitely an edible sweet potato. Let's go to the other side, see what we got. So I got some potato vines here, potato plants that I missed the other day. So let's see what we got here. Nice. Those were free. Those are freebies. So I'm only going to keep ones about that big. These ones are going to get composted. I don't think they're big enough to eat. Ooh, look at that beauty. Look at those piles of sweet potatoes and some like regular potatoes. These were the average size. Brian, come here. You got to see this. Can you give us the money?
Oh, a juicy one.
Look at that one.
Look at that bad boy.
This is a regular. Look at how big this baby is.
That's a regular red.
But look at.
Those are all right.
I know, better than last year.
That one's a bruiser.
There's another one. I know. Look at that one. Hang on. Look at. That was, and it broke off. It was like. So better this year.
To dig up the bed, or you just go with what come up, like you don't.
No, I'm not digging up anything else. The rest can stay. But better than last year, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's pretty exciting.
Well, these are just. Oh.
Can you give those to the rabbits?
Yeah.
Is that a tasty treat, Missy? Look at my hands working in the garden. I love having dirty hands. Oh boy. Pocket eggs. Never a good idea. Oh boy. I'm tempting fate right here. Because look, it's getting full. Okay. Good night, everybody. I was contemplating taking the dogs for a walk right now, but not with this precious cargo. That's like 10 or 12 eggs. So I'm gonna go drop them off and then I'll take them. Hopefully I can get over the fence without dropping any. This is always technical. What are you doing? Oh. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh, made it. It's so pretty out right now. The camera doesn't show it, but there's these beautiful pink clouds. It's a perfect day. The colors are amazing. The fall colors. There's something about when special events kind of happen in nature and they really happen quick. It makes you appreciate, like you can see some of that pink back there. It makes you appreciate them even more when they don't last very long. It's just something about fall that gets me every year. Okay, so there it is. Some pretty exciting sweet potato and potato harvest. But yeah, it's a pretty somber day overall. I think it's important that everybody kind of takes a moment just to reflect and contemplate and remember and to make a conscious effort to move forward and make change. So anyways, thanks for hanging out in the garden with me tonight for my fun harvest. Hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.